Okay, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at how to create pins for Pinterest. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to jump across and we're going to actually show you this on the desktop because it's going to be a lot easier to show you. So let's head over there now and show you how you can create pins for Pinterest. Okay, before we head over to Pinterest, if you are new to my channel, it is a fairly new channel, but we're doing everything. We're doing weekly videos all about marketing, and also you can get a free copy of the Internet Marketing Monthly magazine by just obviously clicking the link in the description. So make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now for more great videos that we're going to be producing on anything to do with marketing online. Now let's crack on and let's go over to Pinterest. So as you can see, we've come across to my Pinterest account here. Now if you want to obviously create a pin, you come across onto the top bar here, top menu, and you click on create. Now, okay, you've got a create a pin here, and you've also got a fairly new thing which is called create idea pin. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly show you the create idea pin quickly. So you create an idea pin, you come here and it says create new, and here you can actually upload up to 20 images or videos. Okay, so I'm not going to actually go through this in this video because I'm going to do a totally separate video about this and show you exactly how to actually build an idea pin together. But what we're actually going to show you is we're going to show you the other two methods of how you can actually go and create Pinterest pins. So again, we want to click on create and create pin. Okay, this will bring up this area here. Okay, now this is where you would obviously upload the pin. Okay, so you would then have your image here, which you can drop here. You can add your title. You can choose which board you actually want it to be saved to. Okay, and then obviously you can add alt text here, and you can actually add a destination link as well, and you can also publish it at a later date by clicking this button, and then you would actually choose the date and time when you actually want it to be published. Okay, but the main thing is, how do you actually go and create these images? Well, I'm going to show you a free site that you can use to go and create Pinterest pins. Let's quickly hop over to that now and quickly show you how easy it is to actually go and use. Okay, so the site I'm on about is called Canva, and you can obviously create loads of different designs here, and that includes Pinterest pins. Okay, so there are you can get free accounts with Canva, and you can also get a paid account, and you can create pins from a free account, guys, so you don't need to have an upgraded account to go and do this. So the first thing you want to do is obviously create an account with Canva. That's fairly easy to do. Go to canva.com. I'll leave a link in the description below here where you can actually go and join Canva for free, and then you come across, you'd obviously fill in your details, create an account, and then you come across and you'd click on create a design. Okay, now we want to actually go and choose a Pinterest pin here. Now this might not be in your drop down thing here. If it's not, then just click on the search here and put Pinterest, and as you can see here, it adds up a lot of different ideas. Now it also says here a Pinterest video pin as well, and that is the other way you could actually do it. You could actually add a video if you wanted to as well. Now you want the 1000 by 1500 pixels, and just click on that, and as you can see, this opens it up and gives you a template. Okay, and this is a blank template, so you can then pull in whatever you like. Now on the far side here, you've got various different things here. You've got different elements that you can obviously use. And as you scroll down, there's different elements here, so loads and loads of different things, graphics, stickers, all that sort of thing, which you literally just click on and drag to wherever you want them. You can obviously use images as well. So if you go onto photos, now a lot of these are free stock image photos you can use, and also they have got ones that are only for the paid account. But as you can see, there are numerous different ones that you can use even as a free account. Now you've got a background color as well. So if I wanted just to add a background color, I could add just a click of a button and if I wanted to change it, I can do it with a click of a button, as you can see here. You can also got other different backgrounds here, so you could have this as a background if you wanted to. And there are different categories here, obviously abstract, food, textures, flowers. Let's say there are hundreds here, guys. So check out all these different ones and have a little play around. But what you've also got at the top here is templates. And what it actually gives you, it gives you certain templates that you can actually use. So now the thing is, you have to remember, if it's got this little crown in the corner, this means it's a pro account only. But as you can see, this one beside me is not, so I could click on that. And as you can see, straight away, that's uploaded. Now we can change the text here by just clicking on it. And so we can change the text here. And obviously it has read more here, which is always a good sign to have on your pins, is to have a read more or a click here, etc., because it will get them to click the image, and then it will then take them to the URL that you've actually put in on the image. So having a call to action on a pin is a great thing to have. Now, if there's something you wanted to change out, for argument's sake, you wanted to change this image, if you just click on it, and then it has the bin icon here, so you just click on that, and it says you can either delete the image or the grid. So we're going to just delete the image, and that leaves you with the grid. You can also use uploads here, so you can upload your own images as well. So for argument's sake, if we scroll down, so if we use this as the image here, guys, so if I just click on that, bring the image across. Now, if you've got a PNG image that's got a background missing, then you will need to obviously put a background in here. So you can obviously do that by unclicking that and delete it, and then obviously you can re-centralize this. This is the good thing when you're putting an image or text in. As you scroll around, you see these lines come to tell you that it's central. So as you can see, that's a very, very quick image we've done there. So you get the gist. You've got loads and loads of different templates here, like I say, you can actually use. And there are absolutely hundreds of different ones here. So you could obviously do your own branded template as well. So like I say, you can start from scratch and do various things. Always add in your website as well is always a good thing, or your brand with a link in the bottom there, because then they might just go and literally click, just copy that URL and go and actually look at your actual website. And then all we have to do here, guys, is literally click on share. And what you can do is you can, from Canva, you can actually schedule straight and share straight to Pinterest if you wanted to, or you can obviously download as well. So if we were to share to Pinterest, just click on Pinterest. Obviously you have to have your Pinterest account logged into here, and you can do that very easily. And then you can choose whatever board you want. So if you wanted to choose a different board than what you've got there, this should bring up all your boards here that you can actually create to it. And as you can see, if you've not got an account connected, it will just say connect new account. So you can create different accounts. You can actually connect more than one account to Canva here. But we're not going to show you that. We're going to show you how you can literally just download and then obviously re-upload your image. So that is downloading now. So if we head back over to Pinterest, and like I say, we've got our image here. So literally we can just click on that. There's my downloaded image. We can just click on that, open it up, and as you can see, that's gone into my image here. We can add in your title here. And put this is my test pin. Okay, and then you can add in some alt text in here, and I would obviously look at maybe adding some keywords into this that you might want to be found for. Same with your title. Make sure you add in good keywords as well there, and also you could add in hashtags in the description here. And then once you've done that, you can add in your link. Okay, now this would be a link of where you want people to go. This could be a blog post, could be an affiliate product, it could be absolutely anywhere, YouTube video. And then as soon as you've done that, you can literally, like I say, choose the board you want it to go to, and then click publish. And there we go, guys. That's it. That's how easy it is using, obviously, Canva to go and create your pins. Quickly go back into Canva. We're going to actually look at the video pin now. Now, this is very, very similar. Gives you your template exactly the same. Now, it also has video templates here. So, for argument's sake, this one here, we could then click on that and straight away that is in as a pin. Okay, and that's 8 seconds long, and again we can just create it and download it. What you can also upload is if you wanted your own videos, you could upload a video. As you can see, I've got videos here, so I could then take this 20-second video. I could upload that into, if you're looking to earn some extra cash, template. We can obviously check and change out the background. We can get rid of some of these other bits as well if we don't want it too fussy. You can change and have your own again URL at the bottom there. This you can bring forward if you wanted to, like that. As you can see, I've very, very quickly and easily created a video pin here now, guys, of how you can actually, and again, that is 29 seconds long, so you can then just click, download, and then re-upload. And again, you can do it through Pinterest as well. And with a pro account, you can actually schedule through your pins as well. But like I say, that is just for the pro account if you wanted to do that. But it does mean that you could come in here, create all your pins and schedule them for the whole month if you wanted to. Okay, so that is what we've covered there, is creating a standard image pin and also creating a video pin using Canva. And like I say, we're also going to go through another video how you can actually go and create idea pins, which is fairly new to Pinterest and seems to be getting quite a bit of attraction. So like I say, I'm going to do a whole individual video about that coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to obviously watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.